The Cape Cod style is a testament to the enduring appeal of simple, practical design. Born from the needs of early New England settlers, it has evolved into an iconic American architectural style that continues to charm homeowners centuries later. Defined by its clean lines and emphasis on functionality, the Cape Cod offers a timeless aesthetic that blends seamlessly with both traditional and modern sensibilities. A typical Cape Cod home is instantly recognizable by its rectangular footprint, a shape that maximizes interior space while minimizing exterior wall surface area, a crucial consideration in the harsh New England climate. The steeply pitched roof, perhaps the most distinctive feature of the Cape Cod, serves a vital purpose beyond its visual appeal. Its steep slope efficiently sheds snow and rain, preventing the buildup of weight that could compromise the structure. This practical design element is a testament to the ingenuity of the early settlers who adapted their homes to withstand the challenges of their environment. Symmetry is another hallmark of the Cape Cod style. The facade is typically organized around a centrally located front door, flanked by evenly spaced windows that create a sense of balance and harmony. This symmetrical arrangement not only pleases the eye, but also contributes to the home's efficient use of space and natural light. Traditional materials play a key role in defining the Cape Cod aesthetic. With siding, often in the form of overlapping clapboards, is a common choice, providing both protection from the elements and a classic, textured look. Shutters, originally used to safeguard windows from storms, now serve primarily as decorative accents, adding a touch of color and character to the facade. Beyond its exterior features, the Cape Cod style often extends to the interior layout. Traditional Cape Cods typically feature a central chimney that once served as the heart of the home, providing warmth during the long winters. While modern heating systems have largely replaced fireplaces as the primary heat source, the chimney often remains a focal point, adding a touch of nostalgia and architectural interest. Inside, Cape Cod homes are often characterized by cozy, intimate spaces. Low ceilings and smaller rooms create a sense of warmth and comfort, while dormer windows built into the roofline add valuable living space and architectural interest to the upper level. The beauty of the Cape Cod style lies in its adaptability. While honoring its traditional roots, modern interpretations often incorporate contemporary elements such as open floor plans, expanded living spaces, and updated finishes. This versatility allows homeowners to enjoy the classic charm of a Cape Cod while tailoring the design to suit their individual needs and preferences.
And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.